Hello, I'm John C., the Astro Geezer. Welcome to my astronomical observatory for another episode of Astronomy for Rank Amateurs. Join me now as we take a visual journey into the night sky over 400 light years away from Earth. Our destination tonight isn't to another galaxy. Nor will we be traveling into the glowing red light of a hydrogen gas emission nebula. Tonight we are going to visit a mysterious and beautiful deep sky object known to astronomers as an open star cluster. There are two types of star clusters in our universe: open star clusters, which we will explore tonight, and globular star clusters. Globular star clusters, such as M15, shown in this NASA image, are enormous and very ancient spherical clusters of very old stars. M15 is one of the oldest deep sky objects in our galaxy. Globular clusters can contain billions of stars, while open star clusters may only contain a few hundred. This beautiful deep sky object is M45, the open star cluster known as Pleiades. Let's explore this beautiful deep sky object together and learn a little bit more about it. The Pleiades star cluster is very easy to find in the late autumn night sky in the northern hemisphere. It is high in the evening sky, nearly directly overhead, in the constellation of Taurus the Bull. And the best part is, you don't even need a telescope or even binoculars to see this beautiful deep sky object. You can easily see Pleiades with your naked eye. The Pleiades star cluster appears as a hazy patch of tightly spaced stars, and the three stars of Orion's belt points right at them. With an apparent brightness magnitude of 1.6, Pleiades can be seen even in moderately light-polluted locations. The Pleiades star cluster is relatively young, astronomically speaking, about 100 million years old. Pleiades is the closest star cluster to Earth. It's about 444 light years away. Pleiades is also known as the Seven Sisters from Greek mythology, named after the brightest stars in the cluster. The cluster actually contains about 1,000 stars, all born together about 100 million years ago from the same molecular cloud. The bright stars in Pleiades are all hot young stars that give off a blue light emission. The intense radiation from these hot young stars has completely blown away the remnants of the molecular cloud that gave birth to them 100 million years ago. In time-lapse photography such as this, the haze around these hot young stars is a reflection of the blue light emitted by the stars. For many years, scientists theorized that the reflection nebula in the star cluster was starlight reflecting off of the remnants of the molecular cloud that created Pleiades. Now we know that the nebulous effect within Pleiades is caused by an enormous interstellar dust cloud that just happens to be passing by Pleiades at this point in time. The Pleiades is one of the most easily recognized deep sky objects in our night sky. Many ancient cultures had their own mythology concerning the origin of the Pleiades. The ancient Mesopotamians, the Egyptians, ancient Chinese, the Greeks, the Romans, Polynesians, and Native American cultures all had their own origin mythology for the Pleiades. Today, we can join the ancient stargazers and peer into the night sky with our naked eye or a pair of binoculars or a telescope and wonder at the beauty and the mystery of this magnificent deep sky object, the Pleiades. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Astronomy for Rank Amateurs with your host, the Astro Geezer. Join us next time as we explore the beauty and the mysteries of deep sky objects in our wonderful universe. I am John C., the Astro Geezer, wishing you a starry night.